This is a brand new 2014 Ford Fusion. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, rear curtain airbags, a pass-through rear seat, performance tires, a four-wheel independent suspension, cargo tie-downs, dusk-sensing headlights, four-wheel disc brakes with ABS, and an auxiliary power outlet. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Two Rivers Ford is located at 76 Belinda Parkway, I-40 exit 226, Mount Juliet Road at Providence. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.